Testosterone is the key male hormone responsible for muscle growth, energy, libido, and overall vitality. As men age, testosterone levels naturally decline, leading to reduced strength, slower metabolism, and even mood changes. While many turn to synthetic hormone replacements, natural herbs can help revitalize testosterone levels and restore youthful vigor. Here are some of the most effective herbs that can help boost testosterone naturally. 1. Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb known for its stress-reducing properties. Studies show that it can significantly boost testosterone levels, particularly in men experiencing stress or infertility. It works by lowering cortisol, the stress hormone, which can otherwise suppress testosterone production. Additionally, ashwagandha improves sperm quality, muscle strength, and endurance, helping you feel youthful again. Take 300 to 600 milligrams of ashwagandha extract daily. Consume it in capsule, powder, or tea form. 2. Fenugreek, Trigonella phonum graecum. Fenugreek is an ancient herb used in both traditional medicine and modern supplements. It contains compounds called forest phenolic saponins, which help stimulate testosterone production. Research has shown that men who supplement with fenugreek experience increased strength, libido, and overall well-being. Take 500 to 600 milligrams of fenugreek extract daily. Add fenugreek seeds to your diet by mixing them into smoothies or yogurt. 3. Tribulus terrestris. Tribulus is a well-known herbal testosterone booster that has been used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for centuries. While its direct effects on testosterone are debated, it has been shown to improve libido, increase energy levels, and support overall sexual health. Some studies suggest it works by increasing DHEA, dihydroepiandrosterone, a precursor to testosterone. Take 750 to 1,500 milligrams of Tribulus terrestris extract per day. Ensure the supplement contains at least 40% saponins, which are the active compounds. 4. Shilajit. Shilajit is a natural resin found in Himalayan rocks, packed with minerals and fulvic acid. It has been shown to boost free testosterone and improve sperm quality. Shilajit enhances mitochondrial function, giving you more energy and endurance, much like you had in your teenage years. Take 300 to 500 milligrams of purified Shilajit extract daily. Use only high-quality, purified versions to avoid contaminants. 5. Maca root, Lepidium mayani. Maca root is a Peruvian superfood known for enhancing energy, stamina, and sexual performance. While it doesn't directly raise testosterone, it helps improve libido, mood, and overall vitality by balancing hormones. Take 1,500 to 3,000 milligrams of maca root powder per day. Add it to smoothies, coffee, or oatmeal. If you're looking to regain your youthful energy, muscle mass, and libido, these testosterone-boosting herbs can help. However, for the best results, combine them with a healthy lifestyle. Always choose high-quality supplements and consult your doctor before starting any new herbal regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Would you like help choosing the best supplement brands or stacking these herbs for optimal results? Let me know.